Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to abc2news.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on what you could expect for the rest of your Tuesday. Need some extra Tuesday motivation. Same song and dance with the weather pattern, with the clouds and also the rain. And we have yet another batch of this same setup moving in right now. We stay cloudy currently. If you look closely, you'll see the showers and storms just west of Frederick, south of Hagerstown. That's going to be the system we'll keep our eyes on for the majority of today. I'm thinking the worst of this is going to stay towards the northwest of Maryland, but we are going to watch this southern flank here to see if this could also spawn some instability that could produce some storms near Baltimore. But right now, the clouds that we have, they're pretty locked in. I don't expect these clouds to break apart anytime soon, and therefore we may stay stable, which will protect us from any widespread severe weather, but we'll keep an eye on it for you. Name of the game, we're not going to be done until we finally get rid of this area of low pressure, upper level low. That's what's responsible for the constant cloud cover and also the multiple opportunities at seeing some rain. So Futurecast is going to look very familiar to you. I mean, we're talking mostly cloudy conditions. The chance of rain will be there. There is a small opportunity to see this front push through, and it could create some showers later this evening. So just a heads up if you're heading down to the Orioles, Camden Yards to check out the game against the Yankees. We could have a potential rain out or delay of game with that system passing through. Once we get done, we go into your Wednesday, same song and dance, mostly cloudy, peaks of sun, chances of storms, and then finally, after Wednesday, high pressure sets up, and that clears up and presents the pick of the week as we go towards your Thursday. Here's a look at your forecast. I'm thinking temps will stay in the 60s, but that chance of rain will be there. May not get a rain out or delay, but bring the umbrella. Keep it handy just in case we get some showers that pass through the downtown area. For tonight, cloudy, scattered showers, can't rule them out. 61, fog will be possible. Into the day tomorrow, another carbon copy of today. Mostly cloudy, foggy start, chance of storms in the afternoon. Thinking we can hit a high temp of 80 degrees, but a lot of that depends on the sunshine. Very tricky forecast to forecast high temps with this type of setup. For your Thursday, this is going to be the best day of the week. Low humidity, decent amount of sunshine, clearing skies with a high of 77 degrees. Friday, at least the first half of it, doesn't look too shabby either. Rain returns Friday night, and that transitions into a very unsettled looking weekend for Saturday and Sunday, with temps in the mid to upper 70s with multiple chances of showers and storms. Thanks for joining us here at abc2news.com to get your forecast information. We'll have another update for you with Wyatt later this evening.